I'm as sad as the willow that weeps in the valley. Since you're gone from my arms, I'm as sad as the cold wind that cries in the treetops. I'll be lonesome until you return. Come back, come back, come back to the valley. Come back to this poor cowboy's arms. I will weep like the willow that weeps in the valley. I'll be lonesome until you return. Come back, come back, come back to the valley. Come back to this poor cowboy's arms. I will weep like the willow that weeps in the valley. I'll be lonesome until you return. Yeehaw! Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers back with again for another hopefully interesting golden oldie. This is obviously a cowboy song from Marty Robbins, and the song's called In the Valley, and I think it's from the late 50s, 1958, 59, that sort of time, okay? So just recently I've been releasing some lessons that have been quite tricky, lots of difficult chords, etc. So I thought I'd do something relatively simple and hopefully change the mood slightly. So I'm in standard tuning, but I have a capo on fret 2, and we're playing the song in the key of B, which is the same key as Marty Robbins' recordings. Okay, so starting off with the intro then. Okay, there's only 4 chords in this. There's an A major, an A7, a D, and an E7. Okay, so the introduction is like this. Okay, so let's get to it. So, standard A chord, and what we do is we hit the 5th string and then the 4th string, the A string and the D string, and then we do a strum, okay? And then we do the 3rd string and the 2nd string afterwards, okay, after the strum. So it's, then we go to an E7, that's an E chord without the 3rd finger, 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 3rd, okay, and we play the 6th string followed by the 5th string and strum, and then again the 3rd string and the 2nd string. So, so far we've got okay, then we do the first one again, the A1. So we do that one again, and then we just play a single strum on the E7, and then we play that 2nd fret of the 2nd string, the B string, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Okay, so go. Then we start singing, okay, first verse. So the whole thing. Okay, then we go into the first verse. There is only one verse in the song, believe it. It's a nice short song, this, just over 2 minutes. I'm sad. Now this is like a waltz. Typical waltz thing is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and the 1 is usually the root note of the chord, and then 2 strums. So on an A chord it's the 5th string root note, okay, same on the A7, That's just the same thing, root note, strum, strum. D chord would be standard D chord, 4th string open, strum, strum. Okay, and on the E7, it's that second on the 5th string and the 1st on the 3rd string. You play the bottom E string, strum, strum. Okay, so coming into the first verse, after you've done the intro, I'm a A chord, saddest. So it immediately does one lot of A, and then we go to A7, second on the 4th, second on the 2nd string there, the B string. Okay, so it's I'm a saddest the willow that the D weeps in the valley. Since you've gone is A, gone. Since you've gone from my E7 arms. 2 lots on the E7, okay? So 1 on the A, I'm as sad as A7, willow, D, that weeps, 2 on the 2 lots of D. Since you back to A, gone, since you gone, my E7, gone, right? Back to A, I'm as sad as A7, cold wind, D, that cries in the treetops. I'll be A, lonesome, E7, until you re-8, 2 lots on the A. Okay, and that's your verse, that's the only verse in the song. And now we do the chorus, and then basically we repeat the chorus and the song is finished. It's nice simple con. So let's go from the intro, we'll do the first verse on its own. Okay, so intro, first verse. I'm as sad as a willow that weeps in the valley. Since you've gone from my arms, I'm as sad as the cold wind that cries in the treetops. I'm lonesome until you return. Right, boys and girls, now we're going to go into the chorus, 2 choruses and end of song. Okay, so after you come out of the verse, you've got to be lonesome until you return. 2 lots of A. Come back, come back, come back to the valley. So it's E7, come back, D, come back to the valley. Back to A, come back to this poor cowboy's E7 arms. I will A, weep like A7 willow, that D weeps in the valley. I'll be A, lonesome, E7 till you A. Repeat the chorus. Come back, come back, come back to the valley. Come back to this poor cowboy's arms. I will weep like a willow that weeps in the valley. I'll be lonesome, slow down until you return. And there you have it, boys and girls. A nice, easy one for a change. Hope you enjoyed that. And get ready for something a little bit more complicated in the next lesson. Bye for now.